It's been over a year since COVID-19 was declared a pandemic. In an amazing feat of science and technology, a number of safe and effective vaccine candidates have been developed. Most developed countries are well advanced in rolling out vaccination. The process is much slower in developing countries. In Rwanda, the government set a target of vaccinating 60% of the population of nearly 13 million by the end of 2022. Rwanda has now managed to fully vaccinate 13% of its population against COVID-19 and 16% have received their first dose. And that makes Rwanda hit over 10% of the global target by the World Health Organization and beyond, aimed at widening vaccination and helping to turn the tide against the pandemic by the end of September.
In different districts, and the deployment was mainly driven by the epidemic or the pandemic dynamics. So we've been focusing on the districts or areas where we are having high incidence, meaning more new cases, so that we can protect people in those areas from getting severe COVID-19 and therefore unfortunately progress to death.
The special representative of the chairperson of the Commission and head of the African Union Mission in Somalia, also known as AMISOM, Ambassador Francisco